Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Idle 11. To begin your journey, you will first create your very own football club and sign your initial set of players. The core mechanic involves earning money passively, allowing your club to grow even when you are away. Focus on strategically upgrading your players and various club facilities to significantly enhance your team's overall performance and climb the ranks. Player management is crucial for success in Idle 11. You should constantly recruit new players, aiming for those with higher star ratings to strengthen your squad. Training your existing players is also vital, as it increases their individual skill levels and boosts their market value. Remember to invest in facility upgrades, such as your stadium or training ground, to unlock significant bonuses for your club. Earning money is the engine of your club's growth. You will generate income primarily from winning matches, securing lucrative sponsorships, and selling merchandise to your fans. Make sure to complete daily challenges and achievements regularly, as these provide valuable rewards. As your club improves, you will progress through various leagues and tournaments, unlocking exciting new opportunities and greater challenges. Every decision in Idle 11 impacts your club's future. You must strategically decide which players to sell and which to keep, always aiming for optimal team balance. It is also essential to carefully balance your budget between player salaries and crucial facility investments. Ultimately, your goal is to build the ultimate football empire, dominating the global rankings and becoming the most successful club in the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.